Using essential oils to get rid of ants in the house is simple, easy to do and extremely effective. Every spring my horror ants seem to find their way into my home. I don't really like using chemicals in my home because I like natural methods and I have pets as well as grandchildren. When you use essential oils, you are using natural methods to get rid of ants. You will be eliminating the ants from your home without the use of chemicals and pesticides. Using essential oils for getting rid of ants is a much cheaper alternative to other methods you can use to get rid of ants. Because of their fragrance, essential oils will help keep ants away from your house. Although most essential oils have a strong aroma, ants are turned off by it because it interferes with the pheromones that ants use to communicate. You can cover ant pheromone trails by diffusing essential oils in your house, making it virtually impossible for them to lead other ants to your home. Now that you know how essential oils can effectively keep ants out of your house, it's time to figure out which oils are the most effective for ant control. Although many essential oils can be used as pesticides, some are more effective than others at killing ants. Cedarwood is one of the best essential oils for pest control. According to studies, placing cedarwood between ants and a food supply prevents the ants from moving toward the food. Cedarwood is also successful against ants that are particularly aggressive, such as fire ants. Patchouli essential oil is a good option if you want to kill ants rather than keep them out of your house. This oil has been shown to repel a number of common ant species, as well as having a high mortality rate for these troubling insects. A few simple ingredients are needed to create an essential oil-based spray that can be used to kill ants in your home. You'll need 10 drops of tea tree oil, 15 drops peppermint oil, a quarter cup of water, 3 drops orange oil, and a quarter cup of vodka to make your ant spray. Mix all of your ingredients together in a big mixing bowl. Vodka is necessary because it acts as a solvent, making it easier to combine the 3 types of essential oils. Pour all of your ingredients into your spray bottle until they've been thoroughly combined. If you aren't going to use your spray right away, keep it somewhere dry and cold. The best way to use this essential oil ant spray is to spray it in every ant-infested area of your house. Spray small gaps and crevices where you found ants entering and leaving your home with extra caution. Despite the fact that this spray is non-toxic, you should avoid spraying it on your furniture or near food. The easiest way to use essential oils on ants is to make a spray. However, if you don't have all of the ingredients for the spray, you can still use essential oils to get rid of ants. If you have a supply of peppermint essential oil, or tea tree oil, you can use it to repel ants in your home. Dab a regular cotton swab halfway with oil. Then rub the oil around your baseboards and other places where ants are usually found with the swab. The reason for using a cotton swab to apply the oil is to ensure that you don't use too much. Clove essential oil is another effective ant repellent. Clove oil, like all essential oils, can interrupt the pheromone trails that ants use to organize their movements. This form of oil can also be used to destroy ants, so it can be used for 2 purposes. Clove oil is one of the more potent essential oils, so dilute it with another essential oil before using it in your home. When you use essential oils to get rid of ants, you are using a natural method to kill ants. What natural ant repellent have you used in your home? How did it work? Let us know in the comments.